Combining 840 horsepower with a drag strip conquering 8-speed, this sinister Dodge Demon is a world-beating performance icon. And if you enjoy going really fast and turning a lot of heads, it's a modern Detroit marvel that's just your style. Hailing from Chrysler's Brampton manufacturing facility, this well-optioned Dodge has lived the life of a pampered weekend superstar. Pull the car under the lights and you'll find pitch black two-stage that's punctuated by an air grabber hood, wide-body flares, and air catcher headlamps. And original sheet metal fits precisely, displaying excellent build quality. Take a look inside and you'll find a comfortable and stylish cockpit that's dressed in tight black leather. A driver-oriented dash hangs detailed gauges next to a serialized plaque and sophisticated infotainment. A wide console founds a chrome-trimmed shifter behind factory climate control, and naturally, all of the luxuries you would expect in a high-dollar muscle car are present and accounted for. With the help of a 2.7-liter supercharger and factory ECU tune, the 6.2-liter Hemi V8 cranks out 840 horsepower, and with the help of an 8-speed automatic, the Demon is capable of sub-10-second quarter-mile runs. Mixing incredible power with world-class speed and all-American swagger, this 840 horsepower beast is nothing short of astounding. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.